Welcome to Smart Web YouTube channel. So today I'll be showing you how you can make your videos go viral and also how you can extract tags from popular videos and use those tags. One of the things that make your video go viral is the algorithm. Your tags also helps. Whenever you want to publish a video on YouTube, they will ask you for tags. So as you know that we have many tools that you can use for tags, but I want to show you how you can use the tags that some of the popular videos that also talks about what you want to make the video on, how you can extract those tags from the video and use them. This is what I do majority of the times anytime I want to, anytime I do my video. So let's get straight into it. But before we get straight into it, please help us. Any way you can help us to grow is to subscribe to our YouTube channels, put on your notification bell, and also like and comment. Here is all about text. Now in our next series, we'll be starting a data science course series, section by section. We'll be starting from beginning, building projects on machine learning, and a lot of things. So the channel is all about tech and also helping people to make money. We have done series on Amazon KDP, we have done on print on demand, we also did on data analysis and data science. So it's a very large channel. So one way or the other, you must benefit from the channel no matter what. So please help us by subscribing. So let's dive straight into it. First of all, this is what you want to do. Let's search for something. Example, now you want to do, I'm doing a video on how to make your video go viral. So I can search how to make uh your youtube video uh go viral video. So let's say we search for this thing. Now when we come down here, we can see that this is the number one video that they showed us. So we just have to make some analysis and see the one that we can use. When you open this now, relating to our search, you can see this. You open it, you can see that this guy has 163 subscribers, and when you go into this comment, it has 135 comments. Okay, so let's go back here, and that's the first video that YouTube suggested for us. That means this guy has a very good tag embedded in his video. Now if you go back here, we have this. When you click on this, you can see this guy has hook on masterclass. I studied virus and this blah blah blah. This guy has 130 subscribers, which is less than what the other guy have, and also he has 255 comments. So there's more visibility on this guy comparing to the other guy. So what we can do here is we can click on share, copy this. Now we'll go to this website. I'll be dropping the link of this website on this video, and um extract. Now we'll click on this link, extractor. That's the Toon Pocket extractor. Now how do you use this? When you click on this will help you to extract the tags of the videos that you want to use on your videos. Now when we copy this YouTube link here and click on this I'm not a robot, when you click on see tags, now you can see it will bring out this video. You can see this video here is the same thing as this. It will bring it out. Now it will show you all the tags that this guy used on his video that makes it visible. So you can copy it here and paste it on your notepad, which you may use it later on your video. Then we can go back to our search, go back here, we can do the same thing here. How to go viral on YouTube even if you're stuck. Now we can still click on this guy's own. Yeah, do the same thing, do the same thing, do the same thing here. So we'll click on share, copy this here, go to this place, we'll paste it, the same thing, not a robot. Then we'll click on this. Now this is only tag that this guy is using, very few tag. So we'll copy it here and also paste it here. So what are other things that we need to do? We can see the name this guy is using, how to go viral on YouTube even if you suck. Now we'll copy this here. You can copy the title of this guy. Yeah, paste it here. Now this title also, you can copy it, go to this place. Instead of using this URL link, when you come down, yeah, you can see another one, use YouTube generator. When you click on use YouTube generator to generate the keywords, now this place is now is not the link that you post, is the title. Now this particular platform suggests tags on its own that you use on your YouTube. So you can click on this, click here, you can see generate tags. So let's see if it has titles, how to choose best music, blah blah blah. So how to suggested tag unlimited for free, suggested tags, how to go viral. Okay, something went wrong. Okay, let me just copy only this one without the comma and see if it will give us something else. So let's see, try and see without the comma. You see, so without the comma, it gave us also tags, suggested tags for how to go viral on YouTube. You can see the tags that I suggested for us. So we can copy it here and add it up to this point. Add it up to this point. You can click comma here, add it up to this point. This is add it up to this point. So it makes more sense. So from this tag, you can select the tags you use on your video. Now for your thumbnail, you can see that this is actually a thumbnail that this guy used on his video. This guy used on his video. You can see this thumbnail. This guy used this thumbnail on his video. Then another way you can do is to, you can screenshot this thumbnail, then open your what's it called, chat GPT, click on this, upload that screenshot that we just did now. Let's look for it. This, now tell this AI to actually write a prompt for you to redesign this thumbnail. Write prompt for me that will redesign this thumbnail. This thumb, is it thumbnail, thumbnail. So let's see what AI has here. So you can see AI has been redesign YouTube thumbnail, blah 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 blah. So we can copy this prompt. When we copy it, we'll go to Leonard AI, Leonard AI, go to get started. So let's allow it to open. Now it has opened. We click on images. We click on images. Image creation. So make sure that it's 16.9 in landscape format. So we just paste this here, paste this here. Still loading. So we just paste it. Let's allow it to load. I'm having a bad network this night. You can see some of the thumbnails I have generated from this. A lot of thumbnails. So paste this here. You can see. Then we generate it. We click on generate. So let's allow it to generate. So it's taking some times. You have to have patience. You can see our thumbnails. So it has generated our thumbnail. So let's see how to go viral on YouTube, even if you are a beginner. Go viral on YouTube, even if you go viral on YouTube, even if you're a beginner. Even if you're a beginner, go viral on YouTube, even if you suck. Go viral, even if you. So I think this is the one that made much sense. Let's download it. Now you can see you have gotten your thumbnail without even going to design it yourself, even without doing anything. So this will be used on this video. All these things I did here will be used on this video. To this particular video, I will use the thumbnail on the video, the tags, everything on this video, and you see how it goes. Then another thing is that you need description of this video. So what will you do? You copy this, go back to where you told them, you go back to the place you told ChatGPT to write a thumbnail for you. Now here now you say what? Write a precise professional description about this YouTube video, using this title, using this title. Add profitable hashtags to it. Now you can see how it is. Now I can still rewrite it and tell AI to make it precise with the hashtag, with the hashtags, humanize the write-ups. So you can see how this thing is. Now it says thank you. In this video, share blah 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 blah. Now you can see that I added the name of the person on this thumbnail, which you don't want. So in this video, you can copy this, edit it, copy this here, go to this place, edit it. In this video, I simply shared, I simply I shared simple, okay, in this video I share simple strategies that can help anyone grow on YouTube, even if you are just starting out or feel like you are not that good yet. No fancy gear, no big following, just smart, proven tactics that work. If you want to get more views, boost your reach finer and all that. You can see where is our hashtags. This is our hashtag, so we'll copy it also and attach it to the description of this video. Watch now, take the first step. So let's copy it here. Now you see we have done everything here. So all these things I do now will be used on this video I'm recording now, and you see how it works. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. You don't need to worry yourself how to get tags for your video. You don't need to worry yourself how to design thumbnails. You don't want to worry yourself about a lot of things. So I just broke it down on this video, and you can see how simple it is to do all these things. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel and give it a thumbs up if you like. Comment. Bye.